back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make sauce pois Congo, also known as pigeon peas sauce. But before we get started, I want to thank everyone who watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. I really enjoy your comments, and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients: 6 cups of water, 14 ounces of pigeon peas, half cup of lima beans. You can also use half cup more of pigeon peas, 1 scallion, 1 piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of all complete seasoning, 1 hot pepper, 3 cloves of garlic and 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon of regular butter, 1 teaspoon of regular salt, thyme and parsley. I add the peas to the boiling water and let it cook for 45 minutes on medium-high heat. After the peas has been cooled down for 10 minutes, I will now proceed to blend the peas. I will now remove the blended peas and strain it. I will now add the excess peas and blend it again. I will strain it a third time for a better consistency. I will now add complete seasoning, garlic, salt, butter, parsley, hot pepper and ginger. I will let it simmer on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. This looks so good. Here is the final product. Bon appétit! Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.